there could be a point where commodity prices, the source of inflation, finally peak. It could happen. I'm going to talk about that tomorrow night. Some may have peaked already. Lumber, semiconductors that go into personal computers. That's a start. But inflation, no, it's raging. For now, though, you've got a host of great companies with terrific stocks that have simply become toxic in a higher inflation environment. Well, you're probably asking, which ones? Which are the stocks? Well, think Tesla, Teladoc, Square, Roku, Shopify, Zillow, Twilio, Coinbase, Spotify, Zoom Video. These companies happen to be the largest positions of the portfolio manager who used to have the hottest hand in the world. Hottest in the world. Cathie Wood of Ark Invest. And that's why I call these WoodStocks. Remember that? That was hot once, too. Don't get me wrong. That's about as well-behaved as it got. It's not Alamont, just, that's Woodstock. Don't get me wrong. I love every one of these companies. You've seen them on air. I've waxed Shopify. I love Shopify. Twilio. Who loves Twilio more than me? Does anyone? Does anyone love it more than me? Nobody. Cathie Wood's fantastic at identifying stocks like Twilio. Okay? But they're not stocks for all seasons, people. You don't just want to. No, they're not. Let's stop pretending. They don't work in this environment. And as I learned 40 years ago at Goldman Sachs, they really don't work in any inflationary environment where bond yields are on the rise. Wood knows that, too. She's upfront about liking these names for the long haul, but the market's impatient. I think they could have quite a bit more downside before they turn around, even if we get retail sales that are hot on Friday. When does this end? It ends when the inflation goes away or is tamed somehow. With the exception of lumber and some semis, there's no sign that commodities are cooling off anytime soon. They're still going higher. I was checking the grains today. Don't bother. Okay, that means these WoodStocks, okay, the WoodStocks will keep heading lower, punctuated by periodic rallies where we get weaker than expected data on the economy, which they will then short squeeze up really fast. However, there will be fewer of those days and more days like today.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.